Out here, in the shadow of the sun, lies a world that defies all expectations. A planet that mirrors Earth's size, but hides behind an unforgiving shroud. A celestial inferno locked in a battle with time and heat. This is Venus, Earth's twisted reflection. A place where the skies boil, the winds rage, and the surface melts under crushing pressure. In the depths of these choking clouds, Venus tells a haunting story of ancient oceans long vanished, of cataclysmic transformations, and of what happens when a planet's destiny spirals out of control. Tonight, we journey where few have dared, into the heart of the brightest light in our night sky. This is no ordinary twin. This is a nightmare disguised as beauty. Nearly identical to Earth in size, Venus has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, or 7,521 miles, and is a touch smaller than our home world. Beneath the dense atmosphere, it likely hides a familiar structure, an iron core, a rocky mantle, and a thin crust. But this is where the similarities end. While Earth's tectonic plates shift and breathe life into the planet, Venus is frozen in place, a searing tomb locked under its own weight. With a core stretching nearly 3,000 kilometers, or 1,864 miles in radius, Venus should generate a magnetic field. But it doesn't. This silence suggests a mystery at the heart of the planet. Perhaps its core is stagnant, or something even stranger stirs within. What force stopped Venus from becoming Earth's twin in more than name? That question has puzzled scientists for decades. Venus orbits the Sun at 108 million kilometers, or 67 million miles, completing a year into 125 Earth days. But it spins so slowly on its axis that one Venusian day lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its entire year. As if this weren't strange enough, Venus rotates in reverse compared to most other planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. It's as if time itself is broken on this alien world. Scientists suspect that a colossal impact in the distant past might have flipped Venus upside down, leaving it spinning against the flow of the solar system. In this world, even time plays tricks. Venus's atmosphere is a pressure cooker, thick with carbon dioxide and laced with sulfuric acid clouds. With surface temperatures reaching 475 Celsius degree or 900 Fahrenheit, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, hot enough to melt lead. This inferno is the result of a runaway greenhouse effect, where trapped heat has transformed Venus into an uninhabitable wasteland. The upper atmosphere rages with winds moving at 360 kilometers per hour or 224 miles per hour, but near the surface, an eerie stillness prevails. Below these poisonous clouds, the air pressure is 92 times that of Earth's, equal to standing 900 meters 3,000 feet underwater. Venus's surface is a landscape of fire and ash. Volcanic plains stretch across the horizon, with towering mountains like Mountains rising 8 kilometers or 5 miles into the sky. Circular coronae formations tell of violent geological upheaval beneath the surface, where molten rock surged upward and collapsed under its own weight. Impact craters on Venus are few, suggesting the planet's surface is young, likely reshaped by volcanic eruptions in the past few hundred million years. This is a world constantly reborn, with no relief from its fiery cycle. Venus has long fascinated humankind. The Soviet Union's Venera missions were the first to breach the planet's hostile surface, sending back fleeting images before being swallowed by the heat. NASA's Magellan mission later mapped nearly 98% of the surface using radar. Some believe Venus was once a water world, a place with oceans and a temperate climate. But as the Sun's energy increased over time, Venus's oceans evaporated, thickening the atmosphere with water vapor, triggering the greenhouse effect, and sealing the planet's fate. Venus is the third brightest object in the sky after the Sun and Moon. Known as the morning star or evening star, it has inspired myths and legends throughout history, glowing like a beacon of mystery. Venus is a mirror that reflects not only what could have been but what might still happen. It shows us how delicate a planet's balance can be and how easy it is for paradise to become purgatory. As we uncover its secrets, Venus teaches us lessons about our own world and the fragile future of Earth. Thank you for traveling with us through the depths of Venus's fiery realm. If this glimpse into the unknown sparked your imagination, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Laniakia Supercluster. But the journey is far from over. Next, we dive into the wonders and secrets of the third rock from the sun, Earth. Until then, keep your eyes on the stars and never stop exploring.